Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error code in Windows 11. Power on PC, when Windows logo appears, hold down power button, do same thing for 3 times. Click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type /fix mbr. Type /fixboot. Any error, use the following command. Type bootsex /nt60 sys. Type /fixboot. Type bcd edit /export /bcd backup. Type attrib /boot /bcd -h -r -s. Type ren /boot /bcd bcd.old. Type /rebuild bcd. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.